In this video, we will learn how to use text rotation in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I just write here the one word. This is a all is well. I'll write just caps all is well. Okay. Now I'm to rotate this text. Just select the cell. You get here option text rotation. Just click on this arrow. You get here the so many options. Just click one by one. Just click the second all is well. You can see here the rotation is change. You can see here, and fourth option, fifth one. Okay, you can rotate as per your requirement. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.